Hello, welcome back to Think Make Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make your Trello go public. For that, come to your Trello account and you will find Workspace Settings. Tap on Workspace Settings, and once you do that, you will find Workspace Visibility, which is now turned into private. So if we want to change it, we will just tap on Change here, and you can see you can make it private or you can make public. So if you make your Trello public, it is visible to anyone with the link, and it will show up with search engines like Google, and only those invited to the workspace can add and edit the workspace. But as it is in the private option right now, it is not indexed or it is not visible to outsiders of the Trello account. So now just tap on public, and this is easily has been turned into the public visibility. So if you want to go back to private, then just tap on change and just tap on private. That's it for today. We will see you in the next tutorial.